Buying an Ultima farming license is the first step to start farming Ultima tokens. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the Exodus crypto wallet to buy a license with USDT TRC-20. To buy the Ultima farming license, log into the control panel of the Ultima Farm website. In the Ultima Farming License tab, you will see the licenses available for purchase. Select the license and click Purchase. In the Payment Method selection window, select Tether USDT TRC-20. Accept the terms by ticking the checkbox and click Purchase. You will be taken to the Coin Payments website where you will see the amount in USDT TRC-20 and the wallet address to transfer the specified amount. Alternatively, you can scan the QR code displayed on the screen, and the payment address will be automatically pulled into your wallet application. Now open the Exodus Mobile Crypto Wallet app. You should have USDT TRC-20 tokens in your balance and TRX tokens to pay the fee. Select USDT and click Send. Select the Tron network. Enter the exact amount to pay for the license and press Enter. Insert your wallet address or scan the QR code so that the address is automatically pulled up and press Send. Please note that you should have enough TRX on your wallet balance to pay for the transfer fee. Once again, check the address and the amount and then confirm the transfer by moving the slider to the right side. Wait for the payment confirmation. In the next window, you will see the activation key for your license. It is important to activate it, as only after this, the max load of your farm will be increased and you will be able to use all the features of the product. If you've closed the page or your connection is unstable, don't worry. In the License Keys tab, you can find your entire purchase history and activate your previously purchased Ultima Farming license by clicking Activate, which is indicated by a blue button. Congratulations! You've purchased your Ultima Farming license. The next step is to pay for the Ultima Farming units.